audience. We did live from the Federal High Court for Abuja, the Nigerian capital, where information just they reach me outside here now say Nnamdi Kanu don't arrive the court. We just hear siren Nana just pass through the road here, and they don't carry on. They enter court now. So any moment from now, the trial will start. We did the Federal High Court where we just they get information. Say where information they reach us say Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the proscribed group IPOP, don't arrive the court for in trial. So we go to keep now updated on waiting they happen, but waiting we know so far be say security don't even before pass where how he be before. He don't arrive the court. We just see siren just pass now. We don't know which condition in day, we don't know any situation around, but waiting with they sure of now be say he don't enter. Even some journalists who have been there outside, they not allowed them even go inside the area again because he don't enter the court premises. So now the Federal High Court where in trial go start with this. We know say what we know now be say everything done they said. The prosecution lawyer, the defense counsel, all of them don't stand up for inside court to wait for the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. Basically now waiting they happen for this place and we they wait to hear further outcome as the trial will continue. Meanwhile, our correspondent they inside the court where go they bring una all the story where go happen as the trial go start. And so now waiting they happen for the Federal High Court with this. We know say last time where the trial been supposed hold, hold because Nnamdi Kanu be no enter, be no come court. The federal government, the prosecution lawyer be no bring and come court. Sake of that, the judge, the presiding judge, where be Binta can say sake of that one may they adjourn the case till today, and he say also because the court the day vacation may they adjourn the case till today. So today waiting go happen they say the prosecution lawyer, the counsel will make sure say the amended cases case where they get on top Nnamdi Kanu head, then go read them and they go read them to plead whether he get guilty or not. And also we also know say the defense counsel they also don't write to the government to tell them say may they allow their clients leave DSS custody to the correctional center. So basically now waiting they happen for here. We also know say a bit of tension for Southeast where the proscribed group also don't announce say may them sit at home, make their people sit at home as don't give sit at home order for their people. So we're going to see how this one going to play out, and our reporters they across the southeastern part of the country to bring on details of waiting they happen for the different states for Southeast. So now waiting they happen for the Federal High Court with this. Soon we're going to bring on step by step on top waiting they happen inside court. But now waiting we know so far be say he don't arrive the court premises. We will be outside here where we they bring on all the info on top waiting they happen for Federal High Court here for Abuja. Okay, if you just join us, this now the BBC live broadcast from the Federal High Court here for Abuja. Make we take una go back a bit. We know say this case no be today it start again. If the trial commence today, we know say now 4th year after in Japa come up from Nigeria. We know say for the 2015 9 government catch am on top treasonable felony and terrorism as government hold am for inside government custody, they under security custody until 2016. Spent 1 year for custody until 2017 where they can't give bail, make him fit stay while the case go they continue. But when he gets that bail, he can't jackpot from Nigeria, citing that na sake of say security people attack in village and then kill people for in village. So as he can't come out for the country, he can't enter another place where Nigerian government can't they look for him. Since that 2017, they don't find them until this year, where government say with collaboration with other African country, they come catch am, bring am come Nigeria. As he enter Nigeria, they come immediately arraign am for court, and since that time, he don dey custody of the government. So today trial na landmark trial, and many Nigerians they look at on top waiting go happen for court today. The Nigerian government say they don't amend charges against them. Security don't full ground. The lawyers say they don't set. So we dey watch how this thing go, how the whole trial go play out, and how Nigerians go watch waiting go happen for the court today. So now waiting, now the much where we go free bring una on top waiting they happen for the Federal High Court as events they develop, and from other parts of the southeast where our reporters they grant gidigba they cover, we go they bring una all the story where go they happen on top this matter.